Did you know that you could be earning 2 to 5 times your current income just by working in Germany? But there is one major catch. Currently, Germany needs thousands of workers to fill vacancies across different industries and help drive the country's growth. The good news: many opportunities are available to people from different backgrounds, skill levels, and age groups. However, before you can work in Germany, you must prove that you can speak German. In Germany, language comes first. The ability to communicate in German is a key requirement for living and working there. That is why we at Multilanguage Place are here for you. We teach German the way it is taught in Germany, step by step, speech by speech, with practical methods that help you gain confidence and fluency. We have been there ourselves, and every year we travel to Germany. That experience is proof that we understand the process and know how to guide you successfully. And now, we want the same opportunity for you. Imagine earning an income that could be worth millions of naira when converted from euros. So, do yourself a favor today, send us a DM, or leave a comment on this post. We'll be happy to guide you, and we'll respond as quickly as possible.